Blessings with people. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. You don't know what's a new link there, yeah? Don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers in. From what you know, see new link I drive again. What me there, people? Driving tonight, zin? Driving tonight. And right now, I have a sad one to talk about now, people, zin? Cause from what this thing happened and I didn't talk about it, and you see tonight, somebody saw me and they say new link. Oh, you not talk about the female in a Mapen who, you understand, hang herself and thing, and I say, boy John, you know something I really want to talk about that, and you know after a couple of minutes I look back and I say new link, you know, say I really need to talk about this, because talking about this, you know, maybe can save somebody else from hang themselves too. You understand? And the people me really decide say, alright then, I'm going to take the time out. So thanks to that lady there who said to me say new link where you never talk about it, tells me how to talk about it. So I'm going to really talk about it now, people, see? Because that beautiful 29-year-old sister in there, from the Mapen people, the Clarendon there, who them find about 4 a.m. in the morning, you understand, 6 days ago, hanging in front of our doorway, people, of our kids too, you understand, and our kids in our room, while she hang herself, my people, see? And right now, I'm going to just tell you what, exactly what I go on now, people, towards that thing, because lot of arguments been speculating, say, no, say, she contracted the disease, they understand the virus thing there. See, lot of, which I can't say is true, say that. But as to her, them say that makes she do it, people, because she's beautiful, and when them check her body, them not say no mark, no strangulation, we say nobody that fight her, or nothing like that. We say, I understand that somebody hold her, you get me? So, it's a suicidal thing. And anybody that asks, why a beautiful lady like this travel overseas and them thing there, have these opportunities, would really hang herself? Well, my people, we're going to really go on a look at thing on that now, see? Alright. She contracted the virus thing now. And I see a video that's sent to New Link Production, a 30-minute video, with the girl hanging in front of the doorway. I can't show the video because I don't know the YouTube policy is good. So that's why people ask New Link, say, New Link, where don't show video. Listen, man, I can't show certain videos. I'm tired for telling them. But I'm not talk about this thing now, on a serious level. Then, and I see the person who have do the video and them are saying at the video, I say, girl, you're so wicked, girl. Eh? Look when you pity them and they say you hang yourself just because you have AIDS, you find out you have AIDS, you kill yourself. Look what people live with AIDS how long. You're so wicked, girl. I say you girl is a wicked girl. And after the video release, I see even the family start spoke about the same thing, and I say, yo, on the top, show them video there, and you know what I mean, make the family and make the, you know what I mean, rest in peace and them thing there. Well, my viewers and my subscribers, hear me I say now. You see the person who really make the video for true, you is a wicked too, you know. If the girl is a wicked to hang herself, you don't say we don't support people who kill themselves, and no matter far away, no matter what. Saying, but you is a wicked too. Because you have the phone a video, go send it out there, go show the world what. You understand? And at least, me I go better say you're not going to take the pitney or nothing and try to talk to the pitney, them, motivate them, see? And I can bet you, the same people them who maybe know this girl long time in her good days, when she, before, if she have the virus before, right? When it was good with her, and when you know here say she have the virus thing, and maybe you was even her best friend, you know same one, see? Maybe you chat the girl behind her back, say oh she have AIDS and them thing there, and make the girl stress out, she can't take it because people discrimination is one of the wickedest thing when they have them sickness there, you know. You understand? Discrimination is one of the wickedest thing. It come like a kill you already and you're not dead yet when them start discriminating upon the AIDS thing there. See? And I can bet you say, they need that motivate the girl or be friend with her, talk to her, because you cannot catch HIV by touching the person. You can't get HIV by even say drink some water from the person or give the person something they say give him money, pass on, wearing clothes. You cannot contact the disease by that way. See? And HIV is a thing where can be treated if you find out it at an earlier stage. That's why them always say, yo, go do the check up and do the test them and them things. See? So you know if you discriminate the people who living with HIV and them things, they are scarring them or grudge them. But the wickedest part people is to know the people them sick maybe, and the same people them Start talk bad about her. Worse than says a girl who a travel and them thing there, and a beautiful, nice girl like she who look like even a top muggler to me. Because she's slim, she nice, beautiful, she got the figure and everything. Could have enter them Miss World competition there and them thing there. See me people? So, me I say now, I bet you, Zin, them same set of people there. Oh, I go on over this like the robbery going over bank there. Sorry me people, like robbery going over bank there. So I go on over bank there. Sorry for talk that night video, but I see news on the road there. I see police over bank. Like a robbery go on a bank there. Show no I go on people, see there? Like a robbery of a bank there, you know. See police there. See some boy there and a car where police there hold up there. Like a robbery go on over bank there people. Police hold them still. Alright, I go back to my topic now. I don't know the whole thing do it. And we attack anything in the night. Well my people, see? It's real man. The girl now, the people them now, if one of them could have talked to the girl and know so them have been sitting there and talk to them, motivate them. You know it's hard for somebody who live a hype lifestyle and go contract them disease there. Now everybody in our community know, every man afraid her, nobody now talk to her again and hold it for something. Eh? Look here man, it's really terrible. It's really terrible. Zin, I love when I show it to the people them. Stop share the video, that's why me not promote that video there. Me not want the video to be sent to nobody phone. I see two person send me the video and me not want the video because no, it's just the story behind the whole thing, you know. What makes you do it, people, if you really talk about? Not talk about, see how, me know say, yeah, God not give nobody no right to kill themselves and them things because me tell people not support nobody who kill themselves, in. And me telling them say, I can't live with them things for a very long time. You know what I mean? 30 years, 35, 40 years, say once them take their medication and them thing there, which about 18, 19 pill a day, you don't know that thing, the wicked still, but I just say go, you have it. If you want to make your life go longer, you have to do it, you know what I mean? And HIV, AIDS is a thing where anyone can catch. Let me tell you this, sir. You could have married to a man, Zin, and you feel say, man, nah, do shit. Him go out there, go do him nastiness, them, and we bring it come here, you know what him do behind closed door. You will marry to a woman and she do the same thing. So I know something where you can say you hide from. Eh? The people, it's serious. And me just send out my deepest condolences to the family of that girl, you know. You understand? And me her soul rest in peace. And me sorry say, if me couldn't find enough to talk to you, my girl, before that really happened. If you just say, give her a word and say, look here, not do it. Zin, but you only couldn't find you. Zin, say anybody, my people, who know of them thing there, find them, talk to them, be friendly with them, make them know about life. Life is there. I still love you. You still wanna we see them with you. Just take your meds them on. You know what I mean? Cause life still can't live. Don't you get me people? Say don't know the thing going on people. I mean him New Link from New Link Production. I mean I big up my brethren, you know what I mean? My Rasta brethren, them a big artist in the place in the, you know what I mean? Who always a sing pan the hotel there. You see me? Big up a Sir Rasta. You don't know the thing, but big up everybody in the 242 in the Bahamas. So all a key man big up. Monster Rap big up on yourself. You know what I mean? The whole belly is big up. The whole Jamaica, Turks and Caicos. You don't know the thing go. Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, see me? St. Kitts and Nevis, Antigua, Barbuda. The whole of them place to big up man. See me? All over the Caribbean, Martinique, big up on yourself, Curacao, big up Cayman Islands, over there, Trinidad, we'll go this already, USA, big up England, Canada, the whole world, big up, the whole of Germany, big up France, same way, down Africa, everywhere in Africa, Zimbabwe, Ghana, Angola, big up on yourself, man. I mean, I'm New Link for New Link Production, and the whole of Asia, big up on yourself. People, life is dear, don't waste it. Blessings, people.